The camera is very far away, so I can't tell how ridiculous my Invisalign looks right now, but I can hear how ridiculous it is, so there's that. It may just be my imagination, but I'm feeling very...
Seashell, silver swans down by the seashore. 7 silver...
But a lot of things have changed. All of this. I know I talked about reupholstering my old chair. I can't avoid saying S words, but I wish I could. That would be super. I know I talked about reupholstering the other chair, but yeah, I can't think of anything I'd want to do less than that right now. I just, it was time. It was time to let that chair go. And I feel like letting it go was on theme with everything else I was doing because this entire room is different. I put it off for as long as I possibly could, but it was driving me nuts. So I had to fix this, which unfortunately did take a month because shipping. But I'm not gonna lie, it was a good break because I fully burnt myself out making stuff right before that. It's almost like the universe decided it was time for a nap because I just ran out of everything I needed and everything was delayed and all of my furniture was delayed. So it just kind of seemed like it was intentional. So I just let that happen, which I don't regret. I feel like you're supposed to lie and say you do, but I was very tired, so. But the good news is it's mostly done and everything matches. The only thing that doesn't match is this wall over here, and I've already got a plan. Also, I have to admit the closet is a little bit... Today, though, I'm sure you've noticed there is a bald spot. It's intentional because I'm gonna put something there, but I wasn't fully sure what I wanted to make until I was. I'm sure you guys have seen some of those punch rug videos and thought, I wonder if I can do that. Because I also thought that. Therefore, I am gonna do that and put it here. I went back and forth on the design part, trying to decide what I wanted, but I feel like the thing that makes the most sense is a bear because... But I didn't want to just do like a design I already had. I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit. So instead of doing the regular bear, I decided on a melty version of the bear. I've seen a lot of melty smiley face rugs and I think they're so cool. So that's kind of the inspiration for this. Let's move on. I have purchased many supplies. I just wanted to make sure I had everything. And while I was looking at the yarn, I found out they make scented yarn, which is odd, but it was the colors I needed anyway, so I just bought it and hoped for the best. I don't know how scented yarn works, really. I don't know how long the smell is gonna stay. I don't know if you're even gonna be able to smell it on the wall. I don't know. This one is, what is this one? Chamomile. Okay. This could smell really good or really bad. I don't know. Doesn't smell like anything. Maybe I should open one of the regular ones and see if there is a difference. Okay, it does. I guess it does smell like something then, because this one smells like absolutely nothing, and this smells like almost nothing. So, yeah, there's something there. I wouldn't necessarily call it chamomile. It just smells like fabric. I don't know. This one is this one is extremely packaged, so maybe this one's stinky. But this one is supposed to be aloe vera. Oh. No, it's not good. I can't stop smelling it because it's so absurd that they make scented yarn. It kind of smells like green tea. Doesn't really smell like aloe vera at all. It kind of just smells like green tea. It's not as bad now. And then I, for some reason, have two black. I don't think I needed to, but I don't know. Maybe it came in a 2-pack. I don't know. Amazon is so weird. The cloth that I need to punch into. A stapler and a staple remover. I bought like a kit that has everything in it because I didn't fully know what all I would need. For some reason they sent 2 needle things, several needle things. Never mind, there's a lot. Okay, I've never used one of these. Can't guarantee that I'll do it correctly either, but I would like to stress before we even start that this is not a tutorial because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. None. And then for the frame, I took it a bit literally and I just grabbed the frame. That's upside down. I'm gonna save the painting, obviously, because it's a nice painting. I didn't do it, therefore I can say it's nice. I will take it off of the frame and save it because I think it's super cool. I found it at a Goodwill for like $1. Oh, $7. I'm sorry. I paid $7.50 for this at a Goodwill. And I love it, but it was just sitting in my closet because I never hung it up. So I'm going to take it off the frame and roll it up and put it in a tube so that it doesn't get ruined, but I need the frame to staple this onto it. Now I've got to figure out how to get this on there. Please God, be the right size.
Don't look now. Things just got worse.
Oy, okay. 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 Found a different frame that is actually the correct size. Time to staple. Now I just have to outline the bear. I printed it the wrong way around and my printer jammed, so I just am winging it. Hopefully that's okay. And now I just have to thread the little needle guy. Poke that through the canvas, pull the starter string out, and just go. It's not as difficult as I was worried it would be, but it's definitely not easy the first time around. I feel like if I do a second one, it will be better than this one, but all in all, I don't feel like it was that bad. It is very time consuming, but if you were thinking about getting into some show you've procrastinated getting into, now would be a good time because there's nothing else to do except sit here for hours. I will say it's definitely very rewarding to see this come together as you're doing it. By the 3rd or 4th color that you've done, you're starting to notice that it is in fact becoming a rug, which is insane. We fully made a rug. Like, what? I'm sorry. I love this so much. I hate that I have a lisp as I'm saying just a copious amount of S's right now. I just think this is so cool. This is such a cool project, and literally anybody can do this, which is something that I think is so cool about a lot of tactical crafts, is that literally all you have to do is just do it. It doesn't require like an artistic skill. I don't know. What am I saying? I don't know. But if you were on the fence about trying this, I definitely recommend it because it's really cool and it feels very rewarding to, I don't know, make something that you never really considered was a thing you could make. I feel like I'm going off on a caffeine tangent, but like, anyway. we made a rug. However, it is not 100% done yet because we gotta cut it off of the frame and then we've got to sew up the edges, which is pretty simple, but still takes a lot of time, I'm sure, because I hand sew everything anyway, and I know how long that takes, and this is quite large, so I feel like it's gonna take a good amount of time, so we should probably do that. I still can't fully process that we made a rug, but he's right there, so we did. I don't know. If you were ever on the fence about making one of these, do it. I feel like it's really good for you creatively to make something that's out of your comfort zone. I kind of want to make more of these now. This did take a significant amount of time, so that's probably going to deter me from making more soon, which is probably good because this is how you get overwhelmed with projects. You come up with all this stuff you want to make and you try to make it all at once, and then you burn yourself out on making anything. So maybe don't do that, but try this. I haven't done a shop update in a minute, I know, but there's one now. Big shop update, more stuff coming. Another video as soon as I can get it out. But I hope you guys liked this. I hope you try it if you're thinking about it. And I will see you guys in the next video. And until then, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I will see you next time.